front end, well, not conversion, but I have a broken grill to the 98 Sierra. Found her on OfferUp. So I'll be back with the new ones on. Our new grill versus the old grill.
What little girl?
Grill. Alright guys, installed. Not happy. When you buy something, make sure you get a real good view. I looked this grill over and over and over, never saw this. But because I wanted it so bad, I bought it without realizing it. Not to say that I wouldn't buy it over again, but at least maybe get like some type of discount on it or something. Gonna have to figure out this fender situation. There's a dent right here, so I'm assuming that's throwing off the hood line, but it's freaking bothering the crap out of me. So the neighbor down the street has a OBS extended cab part truck, so I think I'm gonna go hit him up. The stocks are on their way. Bed has to get taken off again so I can work on the rear end. Little by little, should get done. Project trucks.